Okay, this screencast is about using lettering and what I would call the dreaded black hole in design when it comes to the lamp. So the first thing I'll just talk about is lettering. If you want to get some lettering on here on your lamp, so the text button is here. That was in the screencast. So I'm going to use the text. And I'm going to sort of do my text work actually down here first, and then bring it up into there. So the first thing is I'm going to choose just going to maybe write a word. I'm just going to write whoa. I don't know what happened there. Sorry. There we go. The lamp. And what I'm going to do with this lettering is I'm going to change the font because I think that font's kind of boring. So I'm going to see if I can choose just a different font. I'm going to choose something kind of, I don't think it really matters what you choose. Just something kind of cool. Oh, notable. That's kind of fun. I'm going to do that. And then I'm actually going to increase the spacing of the lettering a little bit. And what you can actually do is once you click in this box, it's kind of cool. You can use the arrow keys. That's 0.1. That's pretty good. That seems a little far apart. Maybe I'll do 0.05. There we go. That's good spacing. And then the last thing I want to do is I'm going to actually, I'm going to have to change the color of it because I got to make the color of this text white. But before I even do that, since I like this lettering, I'm going to select this lettering, and I'm going to go to the Modify menu, and I'm going to go to Path, and I'm going to convert this text to what's called a path. So now I can't change it anymore. I can't retype it. I can't do anything like that. But now it's a path, which is nice, so I can like modify it, change it, and all that stuff. I'm going to go to Fill, make the fill white. And then I'm going to bring the text up in here. So now that it's white. And so this is great, but there's a problem with two of the letters, okay? And the problem with two of the letters is the same problem as if I had this. And I'm just going to bring a shape out and say I wanted to cut, I have a circle, make it white, then I'll make another circle, and I'll make it black, I can't cut, if I cut this out on the laser here, because this isn't attached to the lamp body, and it's the same thing with the middle of this A and the middle of this P, they're just going to fall out. They're not attached to anything. So I actually have to take them and connect them to the lamp in order for them to stay where they are. And so I'm going to make this one a little bigger. And so what do you need to do if you were going to use these in your project? Well, let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay. I would need to connect these inner pieces to the outer part of the lamp. Okay. And so basically what I need to do is I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'm just going to create a line here, and I'm just going to double click or press escape. And so basically, and then I'm going to use the pen tool again. I'm going to create a line, pen tool, and double click, pen tool, double click. Well, I don't know why it's not creating a line. Oh, because I'm on the select arrow. Click, click, pressing escape. There's another line, and oh, I did create one. It's just the wrong color. Why can't I see it? Not sure why I can't see it. Maybe bring to range, bring to front. I still can't see it. I don't know why I can't see that path. I'm going to delete it. So anyway, you can see here, and the same thing I would have to do here. I'd have to connect this. I'm just actually going to draw a line straight through this. So I'm going to click here and click there to create a line. So you can see now what I've done. I'll deselect. I've connected this part of the A, right here, to the outer part, and then this part won't fall out. It will sort of cut out this and cut out this. This will be part of the lamp, unfortunately, but at least it will be held on. You can actually read it. I could also take this line and, maybe do that. That might look better when I have the lamp. I'm not really sure, maybe not. And the other thing you want to do is you want to make this line a certain thickness so you can it actually is able to cut out. And so what I'm going to tell you to do is you're going to make this thickness like a 10-point line. Oh, that's too thick, sorry. 5-point line. That's even too thick. There we go. We're going to make it a 2-point line. So you want to make your line at least a 2-point line. I think that will be big enough. And I'll do some investigating. I'm pretty sure that'll be fine. So same thing. See how it's kind of held in there? That will hold in there. Same thing here. I would want to change these lines, not to 1-point lines, but 2-point lines. That makes them a little thicker. And then when this cuts out, it's going to cut out this shape and cut out this shape, but the circle in the middle will be held on, so it won't fall out of the lamp. So that's basically text in what I would call a black hole type shape. You want to make sure to connect those inner parts to the outside of the lamp so that they don't fall in. All right. And you can ask me specific questions about that if you have specific questions. Good luck.